In Hemri Exports we have excellent quality, Huck Towels, and also known as surgical towels. Fabric roll cutting, into long length pieces. Stitching on long sides. After stitching, it cut into more smaller size, which is 16 by 24 inches. This is our stitching line, where high-quality Huck Towels are in its final stage. Stitching on short sides. Stacking process. Quality check before packing. Cut extra threads for finishing. Packing process. Classification of packing. For orders and details, contact us.